Zoin Deputy Commissioner Chachanpur Lunmin Thang Haukip IAS Maka Intuni Sunma Daksom Lekhatin BRGF Resource Center District Office Complex Subdivision Tuamtuama SDO Tele District Level Official 10 Chinese Model Tungtona Chachanpur District Kanto Sakthe Ding Danto Kisai Seminar ne inom hi Thutut Kinga Danin Deputy Commissioner Chachanpurin Kanto na ngai poimo ma main gam khangto mama Singapore te gam et koldan le kivai home dan to kisai sin sakna tu malamin ne in ana hinta a Waya Senior Professor Dr. Ginlalal Bhuril Director Corporate Governance Universal Business School Raikat Maharashtra in sin sakna ne in tutungin leng Dr. Ginlalal Bhuril ma in China gam khanto na to kisaya model asateu pulang na ne a Why model zanga Chachanpur district in Leng Kanto na anga theina dia lampi omte sin sakhi.
Skills, if you talk about knowledge, if you talk about attitude, and the attitude converted into activities, I believe this is very important. I'm talking about training our young. I think let us follow the example from the way the mother eagle trains in the young. I think I may not elaborate too much on that. Find out and do a research how the mother eagle trained its young. I do a research on how the Spartans, Spartans? The Spartan trained the young, you will understand. Our young guys have to be mentally strong, physically strong, emotionally strong, and spiritually strong. These are the guys that we need.
District Family Welfare Officer Saina in Hongtung Ding February Gyat Sang ni le som le kukapanin Staff Nurse ANM le Medical Officer Tia Ding in Niguk Sung Dai Ding IUCD Insertion Training Ding hi Tutut Kinga Danin hi IUCD Insertion Training Tel Ding in Staff Nurse Som ANM Som le Medical Officer Som Tel Kya Kinoma Staff Nurse le ANM 10 February Gyat Apan February Som le Thum Sang ni le Som le Kuksungin DFWO Conference Hall Training nei dingwa Medical Officer ten hi le March ni khatapan March ni sagi sang ni le som le kuksungin DFWO Conference Hall Training nei dingwa Dr. BC Pauton Singh DFWO Chachanpur le Dr. Kungi Medical Officer in Charge PHC Psycho 10 sin sakna nei dingu hi Now pangkum nga noi lamte kya nga jingdal nadam doi don sakna intensified pulse polio immunization IPPI first round apaisa January ni som le sagi apan som le kwa sang ni le som le guksunga lo chingta ka ne a hi nungin Hongtung ding February ni som ni le khata pan som ni le thum sang ni le som le guksungin IPPI second round non ding hi tutut kinga danin tutung IPPI first round na Chachanpur district Khwam sunga Now pangkum nga noi lamten jingdal na dam doi bai samtaka adon theina dingu ngim na in munjali som thum lenga polio booth hon khya ka omin now pangkum nga noi lam mi sing thum sang sagi wal kya nga hiai dam doi don sakhi ding in panla khia report dung zoi in IPPI first round na now pangkum nga noi lam mi sing thum sangguk zani somguk le kwa kya nga jingdal na dam doi don saka omin Damdoi sangi zali le som le gya jata hin taklang hi IPPI second round na leng divisional supervisor somni le sectoral supervisor som gyat le sagi zathinon ding a Chachanpur district sunga naw pangkum nga noi lammi sing thum sang sagi walten jingdal na damdoi adon theina ding wa panla khinon ding hin thutut kinga hi India gamsunga khosakhak sa le tuan tual ten nek le takman Niam zo anga theina ding ngim na Central Government in Scheme Thakabol National Food Security Act 2013 kichi Manipur pumpia tu kha apan zatpathi ta dinga heading to kisaya beneficiary 10 district supply officer Chachanpur kyanga akin lama passport size limlak pelu chat ding in Deputy Commissioner Chachanpur in thaisak na bol hi tutut kinga danin beneficiary te limlak NFSA website a koilut ngai hi manin mimal Rationing agent Khohau Sale voluntary organization tuam ten format kipia dungzuya passport size limlak bola DSO Chachanpur kyanga pelu dingin Deputy Commissioner Chachanpur in thei sangna bol hi National Food Security Act tungtonin NFSA card nei ten FPS center te antang kezi khata cheng thum zenin lai thei ta ding hin ki gen hi gun panga ti khwang khai khwa EBC saptwam alu to kitonin ti khwang khai le ase vela khotwam twam ten siam sin nalama mason na ane theina dingun Evangelical Baptist Convention in Convention English School khathong khia in hongtung ding February ni gya sang ni le som le ku sunung da khatin hon khyang na ting hi tutut kinga danin ti khwang khai EBC sia hi le 2 January kha hon khya ka omin hi a ti khwang khai le se vela naw pang ti khwal na EBC in Convention English School pat khya kya Reverend S. Ginmal Som, Director, Social Development Le, Reverend E. Pau Khan Land Divisional Superintendent, Lamkanor Division 10, Hong Kedingu Hi. High School Bol na ding to kisaya panpi na sumpia mi malle sap tuam te bana. Now pang tia ding textbook le uniform pe khom tia tunga headmaster CES ti khwang khayin ki pa thu gen hi. Standing together to enable peace, step in khang thak te laka, peace education theina dia. I'm not a stereotype, a journey through photography chi thupi zanga a paisa of gas sangni le somlenga apan peace education to kisai training ane yu zo siang tau hi hei training atel student ten lemlak tuam alak teu lai bua bolin zanita kin life cafe rengkai ro ta hon khyang na newa training atel student te bana anu le pa teu aki helpano mi poimo bangza hia min hiai hun sat na wa pu hi Hei huna mistress mo invite na thu genin KH Samuel Paume in training ne na to kisai pulang na neya ti vunglalan principal lalpui thlai foundation school in thu gen na hun sang hi thutut kinga danin stepin khang thak te laka kideidan na be saka kwa pe win lungwang tak le kitwak taka kwa pe aten khomu na lungtang ane theina dingu ngim na in United Nations Alliance of Civilization UNAOC te panpi na tungtonin apaisa October sang ni le somlenga apanin I'm not a stereotype a journey through photography chi thupi zangin Kashmir New Delhi le Churchanpur district ka khathum sungdai ding peace education panwa Churchanpur district ka meite Bihari le Assamese tetelin school twam pan students somlenga ki helwa hwaya Ajayna Ronha Bollywood cinematography le Sriya Janu managing trustee step trustee lemlak ding dan bana lemlak tungtona message to be tak pon khia khiding dan sin saku hi Kashmir New Delhi le Churchanpur district pan training atel te International Youth Hostel Chanakya Puri New Delhi ya kimuhomin waya kitwa khom na ne wa hei huna lemlak tom ala khom teu lai bu khata bolin zanita kin life cafe rengkai rota tivung lallian sarvunga principal lagui thlai foundation school in hongkhyat na ne hi.
What kind of mystery is this? Or rather, what kind of a design is this? But that step led nowhere, and it led where the roof was already there, so you can't go anywhere, right? But this step is going to lead you further through your photography and many other ways.
Let us give a big applause.
Let's hope peace will prevail. Peace will settle down on all of us. Thank you very much.